Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we are going to unbox a brand new smartwatch from LEMFO. It's LEMFO V2. This smartwatch supports iOS and Android, and some of the specifications are those. It lasts 12 to 24 hours. It has alarm clock, call reminder. It has a lithium battery. The resolution is 240 by 240. Sleep monitoring. It's waterproof. Sedentary reminder. Blood pressure monitoring. Sport mode. Support system iOS 8.0 and Android 4.4. Handoff page, heart rate monitoring. It's 1.3 inch. It has silicone straps and plastic. 200 milliamp battery. In standby time it lasts 7 to 10 days. In charging time about 2 hours. Message push. It has menstrual calendar premium, and it comes with smart bracelet, one user manual and one charging clip. These are some of the function: blood pressure monitoring, sport mode, heart rate monitoring, handoff page, skin alarm clock, hang up, message push, support pedometer, remote control picture, multiplay DL system, sleep management, calories, distance tracking and countdown. In the package it includes smartwatch, the charger, its clipping charger, and the manual is in Chinese and in English as well. So let's get started. This is the V2 color display. To power on, you just press it and hold it. In the back we have charger point. Here is the charging point, and in the middle is the sensor. So the screen is 1.3 inch. It has a touch key here in the bottom, silicone belt, as I told you, the charging point, and the sensor. For better measurements, you have to wear it 1 or 2 centimeters behind your wrist and not up your wrist. So this watch have time, data and week. After the device has been connected via Bluetooth with your phone, the clock, data and week will automatically according to your phone time, data and week. This is the pedometer, calories and distance, steps, percentage of the goal completed, calories burned, and distance will show in the interface. This is the heart rate monitoring. Switch this interface, the device, start single age hour measurement, automatically with the icon of edge hour flashing. It will remind with a vibration after measurement finished. It will also show the 24-hour heart rate plot and the data of the last measurement. This is the blood pressure monitoring. Switch this interface, the device stored single BP measurement automatically with the icon of the BP flashing. It will remind with a vibration after measurement finished. And this is the sleep monitoring. Switch to this interface. Check the directing of the deep sleep, light sleep, directing of total sleep, and sleep quality. Automatic sleep monitoring, it's set as default. This is the sport mode. To enter the sport mode, you have to press long and it will start. You can check countdown, calorie burn, real-time heart rate and steps. In this mode, click the button area to select pause, like so, or exit. Long press the selecting to activate it. After pause selected being choose, click the touch area to select or continue. It will vibrate when you pause it, and to pause it, long press again. It will vibrate. This is the sport mode. Now, and the last mode is to turn off the device. The LEMFO smartwatch have a app. It's called Age Band, and you can scan with QR code for iOS or Android in Google Play. When you connect your smartwatch with your phone, it's gonna show up more function. For example, the screen style is gonna show us 5 screen style. So for the next video, we are going to show you how to connect your smartwatch with your phone. And please subscribe our channel and see you in the next video.